So here's a quick tutorial on using Newsela. Once you log in, you will see a list of articles to choose from. Scan through the articles and decide which one you're going to read, and then click on that article. Once you're in that article, you will see over on the top right, you can adjust the level, the reading level in Spanish, of how many words there are and which level you're going to read. So then go through and read your article, and when you finish, you're going to complete the quiz activity that is over here on the right. It is a set of 4 multiple choice questions. Okay, so answer that. Then, once you finish reading the article and you've answered the quiz questions, you're going to find your reading log in your Google folder. And then fill in the information in your reading log, the title, the level of the article, which one you ended up reading. You're going to list 3 new words in Spanish and English, a short 2 to 3 sentence summary in Spanish in your own words about what the author said. Remember, you're not using translators to do this, but rather it is your own work. And then you're reacting to the article. What do you think? 2 to 3 sentences. And then, ¿qué quieres saber? What do you wonder about? What did the author not answer in their article? Hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions.